Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Cook For You presents Palak Chicken. Wash and chop 100 grams of spinach. Remove in a bowl. Keep aside, we will use it later. Heat up the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. Add some oil. Add whole spices. 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 bay leaves. Add 1/4 teaspoon black peppercorns and 3 cloves. Add chopped green chilies as per your taste. Fry well. Add 3 medium-sized chopped onions. Fry until translucent. Add 2 diced tomatoes. Add 700 grams baby chicken. Cook the chicken on medium flame for 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon coriander chili paste, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. Roast it for 2 minutes. At this point, add all the masalas. 1/2 tablespoon Kashmiri Chilli Powder, 1 teaspoon coriander cumin powder. Add salt according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. 1/4 teaspoon Garam Masala. Roast well. Add require water to cook the chicken. Cover and cook 10 minutes. Add sliced 100 grams spinach. Combine well. Cover and cook 5 more minutes. Our super delicious palak chicken is ready to serve. Time to plate. Dish out. It goes very well with chapatis. Do try this recipe at home and share your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.